Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make this healthy Mediterranean inspired soup. To my pot set over medium heat, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half cup of chopped onion, and 2 large cloves of garlic finely chopped. Give that a stir and let that cook for 2 minutes. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. Next, I'm going to add 1 cup of sliced carrots to that, 1 cup of chopped celery, 1 whole bell pepper that I chopped, and any color bell pepper would work, and 1 zucchini. Give that a stir and let that cook for 5 minutes. Okay, now that the 5 minutes is up, I'm going to add the spices. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of cumin, half teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir that and let that cook for 2 minutes. As they say, you just want all the flavors of the spices to bloom. I wish you could smell how good this is. Oh, it's so good. I love all the colors too, it's just so pretty. Now I'm going to add 4 cups of vegetable broth to that. One can of diced tomatoes, 1 can of chickpeas that I drain and rinse, half cup of quick cooking barley, and the last thing you're going to add to that is 2 cups of water. And I thought the camera was rolling and it wasn't, so I didn't get the footage of that, but you need 2 cups of water. Let this come to a boil, then lower the heat to medium and let this cook for 15 minutes. Okay, so the very last thing I'm going to add to this is 1 big handful of spinach. Stir that and let that wilt, then turn off your stove. Now this will get even thicker when it sits because the barley will swell up even more, so it will get thicker. I'm sure if you want some meat in yours, you can add meat to it, but to me it's perfect just the way it is. It don't need anything. If you're looking for another healthy soup recipe, I have a cabbage soup for you. It has almost 100,000 views, so I'm going to leave it linked below for you if you're interested. I love all the textures and colors in this soup. Oh my goodness, it's just so beautiful. This is what they mean when they say you eat with your eyes first. I really hope you give this one a try because it's just so easy to make and it's so delicious. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.